like in a while because he doesn't really listen to
Okay, so part 2. Alright.
Why not necessary?
Because the other one was 15 minutes. Because Brian's a Brit or a Brian's a bounce house. Alright, so what's going on? This is Brian's house. Okay, go stalk him. Tipsy tip tap. That makes sense. Okay, bye. I'm gonna get hit by a car right now. Go, go, go. Strawberry. It's a dead strawberry. Hate strawberries. Actually, I like strawberries. Pink pollock. I want those onion things and refried beans. That's what I want. Doggies. There they are. So yeah, it's a beautiful garden and a bunch of rocks. Okay.